Hey, what's up guys? This is me Sai Krishna. You are watching SKS Techs and Vlogs. In this video, I am going to unbox and review one product called Gimbal. Yeah, what you heard is right. This is the Gimbal. You can see, I think I should go back to show this. Yeah. This is called Gimbal, Zhyun, Gion Gimbal. This gimbal helps you to take the cinematic shots with your mobile phone. There are 8 vlogs in our channel. In that 8 vlogs, 4 vlogs are shoot with this gimbal, guys. That's why you won't see any shit in our videos, in the vlogs especially. See first a quick unboxing, what you all will get and all. So let's check it out. This is how the box look like from the front. You can see mobile phone is already mounted into the gimbal, and this is a snap over here, and you can see here that is like born for mobile filmmakers, phone go mode and focus, pull and zoom capability, and you have a logo over here. That's it from the front side, and you can see different sides. You have a Smooth 4 logo, Xiaomi 3-axis smartphone stabilizer logo, and then if you come to the back side now, there are 2 color variants, which is the white and the black, and you can see these are the accessories included over here in the box. And now let's quickly unbox it. In this video I am going to show the sample videos with and without the gimbal, so that you will come to know how the stabilization is working using this gimbal. So once I open the box, there is some paperwork or user guide how to use the gimbal and all. You can go through it. I'm keeping it aside right now, and let's quickly open the box. Wow, it comes with something like a thermocol box, and once if I open this, wow, this looks something like a machine gun. However, this is a gimbal, not a gun. So here you have one you have a tripod setup, and you have a USB-C type cable for charging the gimbal. And now we will see the gimbal. So this is the gimbal, guys. So this finishing is very good, and you can hold it a little fat, but still it's very good, and it weighs around 458 grams, and this is like a big one. You can mount the tripod to the gimbal, and you can use the gimbal without holding it as well. Smooth 4 gimbal comes with a battery which has a capacity of 2000 milliamperes, and the battery chemistry is with a lithium ion battery, and it has a runtime of 12 hours, and it gets charged within an half an hour. That's very good thing about this gimbal. Now let me show you how to mount your mobile into this gimbal. On the top of the gimbal there is one mount with a rubber paddle over here. Inside this you need to insert the mobile. So once it is mounted and once it sits inside properly, then you need to unlock the gimbal over here, ready to switch on the gimbal. Once you switch on the gimbal, the motors get activated and your phone comes into the position to shoot. So now your gimbal is ready to shoot. Now you need to connect your mobile to the gimbal using ZY Play app. You need to install the app and you need to open the app. You should on your mobile Bluetooth, and then it will automatically search for the gimbal and it will connect to the gimbal. Once it is connected, then it will open to the camera option. Let's see. So this is how it looks like. Once it is open, then it is connected, and now you are ready for shoot. Now let me show you the video picture without using this gimbal. So now you are seeing the video. I am walking just holding the phone without using the gimbal. Now you can see the shaky of the video. So now let's see using the gimbal how the video comes. So this is how it comes when you are walking. I am walking using the gimbal with the same mobile phone. I am using Samsung Galaxy S7. Now you can see how the video is stabilized. Let's compare side by side. This is how it looks like. You can see the difference right now. Now let me show you when we are running. Let's say you are walking fast or you are running and you want to take the video, how it will comes without the gimbal. Without the gimbal, this is how it looks like. You can see how much shaky the video when you are running using your mobile. See how the video is shaking when you are running or moving fast. And now let's see with the gimbal how the video comes when you are even running. So this is how the video comes when you are running, guys. Now you can compare side by side. This is the difference when you are taking the video while running with and without the gimbal. Using this gimbal, you can take the 180 degrees of panoramic pic without touching the gimbal and the mobile phone. Just by doing some setup, you can just take the 180 degrees panoramic pic. So go to the menu and change the mode into the 180 degrees panoramic and click the camera button and just leave the gimbal like that. It will take the panoramic pic of 180 degrees. Now you can see how it is taking by itself. This is very helpful when you want to take the photos or videos without any shake in it. This gimbal has one more option called 3x3 panoramic pic, in which it gives 9 photos in one frame. So let's see how it is. By clicking on the menu, you can just change the mode into the 3x3 panoramic pic. Once you select that and then click on the camera button, that's it. It will take 3x3. That means 9 photos comes into the picture. So now you can see the difference of taking normal photo and then 3x3 panoramic photo. The unique thing about this gimbal is there are wide range of menu options where you can operate your mobile without touching your mobile. That is one of the unique thing about this gimbal. And you have one ring over here where you can focus on particular object where you want. Now let's quickly test the focus of a particular object. Now you can see the background blur and the foreground blur in the video. As far as focus is concerned, I love the focus in this gimbal, guys. You can focus the particular object which you want. There are 4 modes in this Gimbal Smooth 4 gimbal. Those are, in the front you will have 2 modes. One is pan follow mode and the lock mode. Remaining 2 are in the back. Those are, one is GoPro mode and the full follow mode. So these 4 modes will help you to take some immediate actions, object tracking, or let's say you want to shoot in a particular position. These are the 4 modes which are given in the Gimbal Smooth 4 gimbal. Now let's check the demo of the 4 modes. First mode is pan follow mode. Pan follow mode will help you to take the video where when you want to move your mobile in your hand direction. When you move to the lock mode of this gimbal, lock mode will make all the motors lock in the particular position, and then all the motors are locked. You can see here. The motors are locked and the mobile phone is stabilized. And next, coming to full follow mode. This is the mode which I love, guys, where you can capture the video in any position. This gives you cinematic shots with this full follow mode. When you hold this full follow mode button and then take the photos, the mobile phone will be facing subject to the object. If you are not using full follow mode, then see what happens. When you use the full follow mode, see what happens. This is the major difference you observe using this gimbal. This is one of my favorite modes in this gimbal. One unique feature which comes with this gimbal is phone go mode or GoPro mode. When you hold this phone go mode, when you want to capture the shot between the 2 different objects or the conversation between the 2 people, or when you want to shoot 2 objects as instantly as possible. So this phone go mode will help you. Now you can see the sample how fast it is capturing it. Overall, if you see, I can give 7 out of 10 because of the size and the weight of the gimbal. If you remove the tripod and then it fits into the medium size bags, but if you fit the tripod and if you want to put it in your bags, you should have some big bags over with you, so that is the only drawback. So overall, and one more thing is, if you want to shoot for a long time, for holding with your two hands, this is the good one. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please share your opinion in the comment section. Please do subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.